the 12:30 or so, they have to go to the centers because exam is at 2. Some centers are far away, some centers are nearby. Then they put all of them together and burnt it.
And this girl was attempting, who was actually the girl to whom that tampered steel was at the, but she was in
Hazaribagh Oasis School.
She was in Oasis.
The serial number is allocated to Oasis School Center, my lord.
From
NTA. And unique 24 lakh serial numbers. So no two candidates in the country will get the same serial number. And this serial number 24 lakh series is different for SBI. Another 24 lakh series is different for. There will be all 48 lakhs. So that is how, with this piece of paper recovered in Learns Boys School in Patna, because this serial number is allocated to only Oasis.
It was otherwise to be destined for the Hazaribagh school.
Hazaribagh Oasis School alone. So there are 5 centers.
The breach occurred in Patna.
No, my lord.
Breach occurred again in.
It occurred in Oasis School, but relate to Patna,
where these problem solving etc. took place.
Problem solving also took place in Hazaribagh.
Hazaribagh.
One beneficiary group was in Hazaribagh, where the problem solving also took place in another floor of the same building.
Right.
And the first floor, girl candidates, female candidates were there. In the second floor, male candidates were there. In the third floor, the solvers were there. All the 7-8 solvers were together along with the gang. Now the candidates or the solvers bring the phones into that particular location. And after this solution, again digital image was taken and it was transmitted to Patna Learns Boys High School, where one of the gang members of the accused is present.
And you recovered this burnt thing from
Patna, from that school, Learns Boys High School, where there were 25 candidates.
Did this in the classroom.
Yes, sir.
So that person also.
The invigilator also did not.
The seal
that
is
it will be again.
He did not mind.
He sealed with a lighter. Because if you reseal any plastic with a lighter, it will have burnt marks.
My lord. These are 72 question papers, man. This 4-5 such packets are kept in a trunk. This has got 3 packets of 24 question papers each, inside separately packed. Now on this, the invigilator and center superintendent have to sign that when we are opening, there is no tampering. So though there was a tampering and burnt from one side and again refixed, one paper removed and replaced, they have signed because the center superintendent and the city coordinator were also part of the conspiracy.
Well, interrogated that person.
They arrested, yes.
They arrested, sir.
He was also part and parcel of this.
Yes, sir. He took money. He took money.
So the superintendent and the coordinator were part of this.
Arrested. Apart from that, there is one more middleman who was a bridge between the gang and these two. And the conspiracy was hatched almost 2-3 months prior to the actual stealing, because they will have to identify one vulnerable center who is ready to accept and give the access.
One question I had was, once they had this conspiracy for 2 or 3 months back, how is it that they confined the conspiracy to such a small group of people? Human greed otherwise is that you would want to maximize the profits which you're going to make from the conspiracy. Why did they then only confine themselves to say 25 students?
No, my lord, we have given the figure in para number 155. Para number 113.
What happens is they don't want the paper to go or their identity to be and exposed, arrested in it. They go to the people, my lord, 1-to-1. And those who fall into that, they give post-dated checks and some amount in advance. We have recovered the post-dated checks also.
not collected.